Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to present some ways to say awesome using different Austrian accents and dialects. Of course, the accents and dialects might change from valley to valley or even from village to village. Today, we cover Vienna, Tyrol, Vorarlberg and the Salzkammergut. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this video is to get to know different ways to say awesome using Austrian accent and Austrian dialects. In general, awesome can be translated with the help of many words in Austrian German. So let's take a look at some of them. We start with Vienna, Wien. Awesome can be translated as Leibend in Vienna, Leibend. This is Leibend, a leibende Geschichte. Leibend is common in Austria, but its origin is in Vienna. In Tyrol, bärig is often used for awesome. Bärig, das ist bärig, a bärige Geschichte. For instance, the former skier and singer Hansi Hinterseher loves saying the word bärig. In Vorarlberg, the word körig is very common for saying awesome. Körig. Ich körig. Ich körig sie. Now let's go to the Salzkammergut. The Salzkammergut is not an official state, but shares parts of Salzburg, Upper Austria and Styria. In the Salzkammergut, the locals use a word for awesome, which even many Austrians don't know. The word for awesome is called Gschmor. Gschmor. This is Gschmor. So when you visit the region of the European Capital of Culture 2024, this word might be helpful. But there are even more words to say awesome in Austrian German. For instance, Glas. Glas. Super is also common, and there are various pronunciations from accent to accent. For instance, super, 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 super. And lässig is also a word for awesome. Lässig, lässig. Now let's repeat the words we've covered today. Leibend, bärig, körig, Gschmor, Glas, super, lässig. I hope I could give you a little insight into the Austrian accents with the help of these examples. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.